Sarasota, Florida, June 17th. Lounsailing Arshasan, 4 children, 1 DUI crash, and a series of decisions that compounded every charge on the list. Next.
What are we doing?
They're trying to leave, so watch out.
Okay, all right, thank you. What are we doing, sir? Okay, good. Okay, just hang out for me, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Just give me just a minute, okay? All right. Okay.
I just want to go.
Okay.
I don't care what they have going on.
Okay, listen. Just bear with me. It'll just be a few minutes, okay? All right? I just needed you to just have a seat for now, okay?
That's fine.
Okay, what's
That's
your first
my
name?
little brother's.
All right?
You guys fucked up.
Okay, just have a seat, Angelica. All right, thank you. All right, so who was driving? You were? Okay, let's hang out with
The
them.
girl was driving.
Oh, the girl was driving?
Yes, she was the one behind the wheel.
Okay. Okay.
That's when I called because she's under the influence.
No, thank you for calling. I really appreciate it.
It appears that she was very intoxicated.
Yeah.
Okay.
And she made a comment about she had traumatized the children.
Okay.
Because Bridget got out to walk back there and she's like, I didn't even hit you,
Okay.
when obviously she did.
Okay.
And that's when we walked over and I was just kind of standing by because she was very confrontational.
Where's the impact on the vehicle?
Right.
Right here?
She backed up like a foot and then was trying to leave.
So,
And also, if needed, very confrontational.
okay. Very clear paint transfer.
See over there with the bumper that kind of popped out.
Yep. Okay, but yeah, that paint transfer is all that I need right there. Do you have her information?
I got her.
I was not driving at all.
I'm still waiting for her license.
Okay.
Do
Do you have your driver's license, ma'am?
Yeah. There's my nephew and my cousins. Like,
Where were they?
they're with me. I'm supposed to bring back my brother
So
and
nobody
my
was
nephew.
nobody was in the car.
No. We've been here since like 2 o'clock.
Okay, let me just see that.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Okay. There's 3 children?
There's 4.
There's 4 kids. Okay.
There's Eli, Delilah, Priscilla, and Catalea.
Okay. Dad is coming to pick them up. Is he already on his way? Outstanding.
Yeah, this is that right.
This is the father? Okay.
No, it doesn't
Perfect.
matter.
In Florida, driving under the influence is a misdemeanor under Florida Statute 316.193. 2 enhancements change that entirely. First, a blood alcohol level of 0.15 or higher. Second, a passenger under the age of 18 in the vehicle. Both enhancements were present here. 3rd-degree felony. Up to 5 years per count. She had 4 children in that car. Not one of them was in a car seat. 4 children. 4 counts. 1 decision.
No, it doesn't matter. Stop. It doesn't fucking matter.
Hey!
No.
Hey! You need to
guys
calm
are
down.
really
Ma'am?
to say that
Angelica, you
No.
need to calm down.
You guys.
You need to calm down.
You guys.
All I'm trying to do is get them.
You guys, because you're trying to say that I'm trying to push into somebody. That's my family. They didn't do anything. They didn't fucking do nothing. They didn't do anything.
Give me Eli. Give me Eli.
Can you let my son go with their...
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Right the puppy.
Are you father?
Yeah.
Yes, that's their dad. You guys are trying to... No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. If you guys literally cared, if you guys cared, you would have cared about my daughter. No, they don't
Stop giving
care.
it the cops. She's
They
gonna
don't-
make it worse.
No, it's
Doesn't matter.
not. They fucking literally try to make shit
Oh,
worse.
yeah. Yeah.
If you can't just.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
We called mom. It's fine. Relax. We already called her.
Okay, so where was Priscilla sitting?
No, like in the middle. No, I was in the middle. Priscilla was right there.
I'm safe.
No, I don't give a fuck about you, dog. You and your fucking right. I'm not even touching you. Don't touch
Calm
me.
down.
I'm not
Please calm
touching
down.
you.
Please
I
calm
am
down.
not touching you.
Calm down.
I'm not touching
Calm
you.
down.
I am not touching you or
Okay.
your fucking crack ass.
Then you need to
I'm
calm
not
down.
touching none of you.
You need
so
to calm
y'all
down.
have no fucking right. Touch
Angelica,
me.
you need to
touch
calm
me,
down.
and I swear to God, touch
Angelica.
me. I have not
Angelica.
touched you. Y'all, both of y'all niggas,
You need to
literally
calm down.
take my kids away for no fucking reason.
You need to calm down.
No, I don't give a fuck.
Your
He
children
didn't
went
do
with their father.
No, and I could have gone home, and he would have known I would have been fine with them. But fuck both of you,
Okay.
for real.
Just take it easy.
No, just don't fucking touch me.
Hey, this is probably going to be use of force if you want to be on your way out here. It's a signal 1 crash, but the individual who was driving is being very, very belligerent right now, and she's saying that she's going to beat our ass when we put our hands on her. And there's no car seats back there, right?
No car seats?
No car seats. Okay.
They don't need any car seats.
What's that?
I said I don't think they use car seats.
Okay. Yeah, they need car seats at their age. So, yeah, like for Florida law, they do. She's your cousin? Oh, your sister. I'm sorry. Can you just hold your sister's stuff for now? Thank you.
No fucking reason, bro. Y'all took my fucking kids from me. Like, they were literally having a good fucking time, bro. Fuck you. Fuck you. You guys are fucking big. And I can't stand you. I can't fucking stand you and your fucking cooker ass shit. I can't. And I can't believe y'all shit. I work for fucking restaurants and I bust mines. I don't give a fuck. What are you gonna do? 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 Cause you're talking about, you're gonna do what? What are you gonna do? Bust my shit? Bust my shit? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Turn around.
Go ahead. Alright, that's fine. I'm not fighting.
Okay.
I'm not fighting.
Okay.
I'm not fighting.
Okay. Let
I'm
me
not
see your arm.
fighting.
Let me see your arm,
Go ahead.
Angelica.
Go
Everything's
ahead.
fine.
Go ahead. I'm not
Secure that
fighting.
arm. Okay.
I'm not fighting.
Okay, you're fine.
You're still a bitch. You're still a bitch. Nah, it's good. Let them take me. Let them take
For the
me.
time being.
Yep.
Let them take me. They're still
Yeah,
bitch.
we're doing our investigation, so.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You still can't fight. You're still bitch.
Just over here.
Yeah, go ahead. No, I ain't going nowhere. I'm not going nowhere. No, I'm not. I'm not going nowhere.
We're going this way.
I'm not going nowhere.
We're going this way. Come on.
I'm not going
Angelica. Angelica. Stop. Stop.
You need to stop.
You need to stop. Come on. Let's go. Angelica. You need to stop.
For what? For what? For what?
Step in.
For what?
Step in.
For what?
Angelica,
For
step
what?
in.
I just want to go home.
Step into
I
the
just
car.
wanna go
Step
home.
into the
Can
car.
I just go home?
You cannot. Step into the
Why?
car.
I just
Step
wanna
into
go
the car.
home.
You caused this, not us.
Angelica,
go.
step into the car.
Step into the car.
I just want to go home.
Angelica, step into the car.
I just want to go home.
Step into the car.
I just want to go home.
Step in. Do you want to go around to the other side and pull her in?
I just want to go home.
Angelica?
I just want to
Angelica,
go home.
that's not happening. Just step into the car. Just step into the
I
car.
just want to go home.
Step into the
I
car.
just want to go home.
That's not happening.
Why?
Step into the car.
Why? I didn't even do nothing to you guys. Yvonne, did you record this shit?
This is all on. Okay, there you go. You just got another charge. Congratulations. Well, she's got a BAT Leo charge now.
Then she added to the list herself, Florida Statute 843.0-1, resisting an officer with violence, 3rd-degree felony, charged independently of every other count on the list. Physical contact during a lawful detention is sufficient. Intent does not need to be stated in advance. The officer confirmed the new charge in real time. On camera, 3 counts were filed: resisting an officer with violence, DUI with property damage, DUI, blood alcohol at or above 0.15, with a person under 18 in the vehicle, Florida Statute 316.193. Subsection 4, up to 5 years per count. 4 children in that car?
Hello. Yeah, 7's on the way. She said the 1017's got a BAT Leo charge now. I'll explain this later. This is a big mess. I gotta go.
I've been so
Angelica. Angelica. I need you to stop.
I don't deserve this shit. My anxiety is great.
I need you to take deep breaths.
Like, I would just want to go home.
Angelica.
Oh, I can't stand this shit.
Angelica. Angelica. Pulling over momentarily at Gulfstream and Ringling just to check the well-being of my 1015. Angelica. 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 Angelica.
Can you rescue?
Angelica.
She got a pulse.
Yeah, she has a pulse. She's just not conscious. Angelica. Come on. Wake up. Angelica. Okay, sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Come on.
I don't give a fuck about none of you. I want to go home. I don't give a fuck about none of you. Like, you guys already made your point with the father and my kids. Like, fuck all of you. I work 2 jobs. I don't need my mom or my dad.
Yeah.
Like,
She got into a car accident and she kicked him several times.
Yeah, we weren't even to the second half of the investigation.
It's a good kick, man.
Yeah.
She got him
You got all the toes on there.
I know.
You got kicked in the nuts.
I know.
Oh, damn.
So,
Were her feet so
good?
good?
She was
She was
from
at
the
the
beach.
not fair.
Angelica.
It's not fucking fair. I literally do everything.
Angelica. Angelica. Angelica.
The cartel catches all of you and your fucking families. Don't touch me.
Okay, then just walk
me.
this way.
Okay,
Then just walk
so
this
you
way.
can just tell me.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Still
Just walk this way.
pushing me.
That's fine.
Alright.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
Can I have a shirt on?
After we get inside, they will get you clothes, okay?
The officers get an A. They de-escalated 5 times. They documented everything. They let her talk and she provided everything they needed. Under Graham versus Connor. The officer conduct is judged on what was known in the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds up. Angelica gets an F. DUI with 4 minors. No carcits. Property damage. Threats and a self-inflicted felony added mid-encounter. Florida Statute 843.0-1 is a 3rd-degree felony, regardless of what came before the contact. She added it on camera. One principle applies in any police encounter. Provide your identification. State whether you are free to go or under arrest. And say nothing further. Every voluntary statement is evidence. She provided enough for 3 separate counts. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment. How much time should she serve?